Hey, thanks for your interest in our weight loss program. You might not know it, but this might be one of the most transformational things you do for your health. We've been able to help hundreds of people finally lose that stubborn weight using GLP-1 medications, and we can help you too. I imagine you've been carrying excess weight for a while, and you're probably pretty tired of trying diets and other things, but not getting results. Millions of Americans now struggle with overweight and obesity, and it truly is getting harder to lose weight than it ever was. Part of that has to do with the poor quality foods that are so readily available to us, filled with sugar and empty calories. But did you know that even healthy organic fruits and vegetables are much lower in crucial nutrient levels than in years past? Our food is grown in soil that is depleted of nutrients and often is contaminated with pesticides and herbicides. So even if you're eating healthy foods, you often aren't getting the same metabolic benefit as we did decades ago. So if you feel like you can't lose weight when you're eating healthy, you may be right. We aren't going to sugarcoat this, but there is no single solution or magic bullet to weight loss. Some online companies offer GLP-1 medication alone and never address other factors crucial to weight loss, such as sleep, stress, nutrition, water intake, and detoxification. They do have some success, but here at Integrity Wellness MD, we take a more comprehensive approach. As a physician who specializes in functional medicine, my team and I refuse to just prescribe medications. We do a comprehensive intake evaluation, including baseline labs to check for prediabetes and thyroid issues to make sure we aren't missing anything. At your first visit, we will ask you about your medical history, and we'll take time to discuss your lifestyle habits in depth. We will then discuss GLP options with you and get you started on your therapy. We will check in with you frequently to ensure your dose is optimal for your body and your metabolism, and we'll work to get you losing 1 to 2 pounds per week consistently. I'd like to briefly answer some frequently asked questions about our program now, but when you're done watching the video, give us a call and we will be happy to answer any questions you still have and get you started. So here are our top questions we get. Number 1, which GLPs do you use? We typically start most people on semaglutide simply because it is less expensive. However, if you have any problems on semaglutide, such as side effects, or if you or the provider feels tirzepatide is better, we do offer that as well. Number 2, do you take insurance? No, we are out of network and do not bill insurance. Number 3, do you prescribe Ozempic and Mounjaro? No, because we are not part of any insurance networks, so we are unable to get them covered by insurance. If you would like to use the commercial products, we recommend that you work with your primary care provider. Number 4, are compounded GLPs safe? The FDA does always clearly recommend the use of FDA-approved commercial products for safety and efficacy reasons, and we agree. Unfortunately, they are often difficult to obtain and frequently on shortage. Compounding pharmacies had filled this gap for many types of medications for years. We will be happy to discuss this further with you at your first appointment. Number 5, what pharmacy do you use? We have carefully vetted and established a good relationship with 2 compounding pharmacies that both make a high-quality sterile compounded product. It is made from the base form, not from the salt form, and the final product is equivalent to the commercial products. The pharmacy will ship the medication directly to you. Number 6, do you do the shots or do I? We have successfully taught virtually all our patients how to self-inject. A few do have a family member do their injections, but there's no need to come into the office every week. It's not hard at all. You can do it. Number 7, what testing is done and why? We do baseline testing for blood sugar, thyroid, and pancreas for all new patients. We have found diabetes and low thyroid in some people that other doctors didn't detect, which are both crucial things to address to lose weight. Labs will be done for all new patients, as the ones we test for are a bit more in-depth than typical labs done by primary care physicians. However, if you have had any of our 5 tests done in the last 3 months, you will not have to repeat that one. Number 8, do you do weigh-ins? And how often will I see the provider? We do most of our follow-up care virtually for your convenience. We ask you to weigh yourself at home on the same scale every time. We typically do follow-ups every 4 to 6 weeks initially. Then once you are in a steady pace of weight loss, we may stretch follow-ups out to every 3 months. Number 9, how much weight will I lose and how long will it take? We aim to have you lose 1 to 2 pounds a week on average. Men lose more quickly than women, and weight loss does typically slow over time, but we expect a loss of at least a pound per week. And number 10, how much does it cost? This is often the most important question, and we totally understand that. Cost is affected by which GLP you are on, as semaglutide is less expensive than tirzepatide. So in summary, there is a wide range of medication cost, anywhere from $150 to $750 per month. However, we find that the vast majority of people are somewhere in the $200 to $350 range per month. There are other things we will discuss with you at your first visit, like nutritional coaching, what we do once you reach your goal weight, how long you might be on the medication, possible side effects, and so forth. So I hope this video gives you some valuable information about how our program works. Just know that we have helped many people get down to their goal weight, which has truly transformed their lives. They are finally able to have the active lifestyle they desire, and they truly feel and look their best. And they have such an empowering sense of accomplishment because they really did it. So give us a call today. On the call, my staff will answer any other questions you have and get you started. The initial consultation fee is due at scheduling, and we will order your lab tests. Once we have the results, you will be scheduled within a week with a provider, and we will get you started on your journey to a healthier, happier you.